What is the best form of tableegh?
Best form of tableegh?
Yes,
you see,
especially with Muslims who deny the...
You see, the thing is that you cannot force anybody. Even Allah Ta'ala said to the Holy Prophet ﷺ that you can do tableegh, but you cannot impose your teaching on anyone, and you cannot compel anyone to follow you. Then, this is why Allah Ta'ala says, La ikraha fid deen. Though the right has been distinct from the wrong, but you cannot force it. You just tell them, if they accept, well and good. If they don't accept, then pray for them that Allah Ta'ala make them to accept, and you find some other people who are very rigid. So no need to waste your time on them. But if they are your close relatives, they should pray for them. You see, the mother of the Abu Huraira, Hazrat Abu Huraira, used to speak ill of the Holy Prophet ﷺ. And one day, Hazrat Abu Huraira came to the Holy Prophet ﷺ and he was crying. He said, "Oh Prophet of Allah, pray for my mother. She is using very filthy words against you, for you." So the Holy Prophet ﷺ said, "Okay, I will pray, you also pray." And then that was the time of the acceptance of the prayer. When Abu Huraira reached home, he saw his mother was taking bath, and when she came out from the bathroom, then she said, "La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah," and immediately her heart changed. So the prayers work. If somebody is very close to you, he is from among your loved ones, then when you do tableegh, you pray for them as well. This is the best way. And those who are other people, those who don't have any blood or personal relation with you, you can do tableegh to them. But when you see they are very rigid and they don't want to listen to you, they are like the people like when the water cannot, barren land which will not produce anything, then even rainwater cannot produce any grass on them, grow any grass on them. Whereas the fertile land will flourish after the rain. You will see the greenery on the land. So the same way with these people, right? But despite that, we should pray that Allah Ta'ala change their hearts. Okay?
Inshallah.
Assalamu alaikum.
Thank you. Wa alaikum assalam.